We have four phenomenal speakers who are not going to be talking heads. It's not a regular conference, it's a collaboratorium.
It goes beyond being a workshop, and it gives people the opportunity both to hear from interesting and inspiring speakers and thought leaders, and also to roll up their sleeves and work with others.
If you're like me and you want to be in a space where you have to come up with a solution, this is the conference for you.
If you're responsible for helping to lead and manage individuals that are reporting to you, you need to be there.
You're going to build relationships with people that are also doing this work, and you're going to go back inspired to do even more than you're already doing.
And you can also apply practical tools to move your organization forward, regardless where you are in the DEI journey. So come and join us.